Alright everyone, I've noticed that in the code for the ghost, there are two blocks of code that look very similar. So the definition for the ghost setup and the routine for when the ghost disappears and it has to respawn. And the reason they look the same is because they're essentially doing the same thing. They're getting the ghost to go to a random place on the screen and then appear. And so they basically break up into two chunks. So here we have the first part says hide and set the ghost visibility to invisible. And then there's a second part, for this thing over here, there's a second part which is change the score by 1. And then there's this third part here, which is the same on both sides, almost the same. So you glide 4 seconds, or over here it's 4 to 8 seconds to a random spot. You show, you change your ghost visibility, and then over on the left there's an extra thing which is set rotation style. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put set rotation style here, and I'm going to put change score by 1 here. Those are the differences. Now they're almost exactly the same, what's left. So I'm going to define two blocks to take care of this. So one of them is just going to be called hide ghost. Okay. And so hide ghost is just going to be defined like that. And I can throw this one away. And now each of these needs a hide ghost. So I'll put one here. And one here. The other thing is respawn somewhere, right? Or at least spawn somewhere. So let's make a block and call it spawn ghost. And then just pop that on the top of this. And we can throw this away. And then each of these is going to need a spawn ghost. And this is nice. This is a good thing to do because it means that when we make any changes from now on, we don't have to do them twice over in each of these. We'll just do it once. And this will be nice when we come to write some new monsters, some new baddies to face the wizard, because what's going to happen is we're going to essentially copy the code for the ghost, and then we're going to change it for the new baddie. And so it's easier to change when it's all in one place. So that's why this is a helpful thing to do. And we've done it now. It shouldn't make any difference to the way the game plays, but you should test it to find out. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.